Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ford Fusion. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps, a nice chrome grille, a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You do have a rear backup camera as well as rear backup sensors on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.